Proxicall is a next-generation voice-first communication platform that bridges the gap between human intuition and artificial intelligence. It transforms your smartphone into a seamless extension of your mind, enabling you to communicate, transact, and create effortlessly through natural conversation. The vision in a world saturated with screens and notification, Proxicall returns to the most natural interact, the human voice we believe. The technology should adapt to us, not the other way around. By leveraging the power of advanced AI, Proxicall eliminates the friction of tradition app, allowing you to stay present in the life while your device handles the complexity in background. What we are offering here, it has an autonomous workflow from signal detection to intelligence response. Proxy call first detects its signal from your mobile. It's generally a Bluetooth signal. Proxy call monitors Bluetooth proximity phone state in real time using Android APIs. But there is a catch here. Actually, the messaging part which we are trying to enable in our build was unable to be performed on the latest Androids because of strict security guidelines. So we used an older Android phone which has uh, not that strict regulations, so we were able to achieve that. And the second context analysis, it generally uses Gemini Flash 1.5, 2.5, depending on upon what API key you are using. So generally in our project, we tried to use Gemini API 2.5, which the limit was already exhausted. So if you are using my app from the GitHub repository, I will advise you to use your own API so it will be better responding. And smart action. The agent decide to auto reply via SMS, engages whisper mode for urgent communication. In so the and below Android 10 devices, it will or when I get a call by someone or someone which I whom know. So if by your phone Bluetooth will check if you are within the range by your IoT devices like earbuds, other IoT device like your smartwatch, which you have trustedly authenticated it. I will attach all the screenshots in later on the video, which you will understand what I'm trying to say. Further, also, if we are trying to develop a small IoT AirTag type device which you can keep with you usually. It will alert you with vibration that you are getting a call if you are within the range. If you are not, it will automatically detects which person you are calling via Gemini API and respond it accordingly with a polite message that so and so person is not within its phone range, so he will not be able to contact if you are using Android 10 or lesser versions. Because of the strict guidelines of Android 10 and above, we are not able to do in those phones. And so here is all about what your note to note. There is some documentation of proxy call. Proxy call is a context-aware autonomous agent that bridges the physical and digital worlds. It uses Google Gemini 3. We are also able to use Google Gemini 3 via its free API. Its integration is somewhat like this, and this is a Next.js web page which is designed to show what we are building. Obviously, we tried to connect the Next.js, our web page, to our Android app, but we won't were able to achieve because of our shortcomings of the database of Firebase. And our Android is fully developed Kotlin app, which has Jetpack composed UI, broadcast receivers, call and SMS, Bluetooth manager proximity. You have to obviously use to switch on Bluetooth. It will be a necessary message. I will also provide that screenshot later on this video. And Google Generative AI SDK, which is the API which will be you can use by Google AI Studio, and this is the integration part of Gemini. Further, I will show you how it works. It's a proximity detection agent. The agent will constantly scan your specific Bluetooth beacon, smartwatch, or phone, or either earbuds. And if it detects you are within the range, it will automatically give you the person name which whom you are getting call from after one or two rings. If you are not trying to pick your phone, it will tell whom you are getting a call by using Gemini. And if you answer that you want to call, it will start your calling process. And further, if you said you won't want to attend the call, it will ask you a brief description to give according to you. If you not give any brief description, it will use Gemini to automatically give a polite brief using Gemini, and it will give a polite description and a message to the user, the user or the caller which you are getting call from. And at last, here we have the features. It all comes. Beyond smart, truly intelligent, Proxicall is not just an answering machine, it's a digital bodyguard for your attention span. It will reduce your attention span, which is a very big thing mm, in our upcoming generations. Whisper mode via Bluetooth application, device finding, on-device privacy, battery optimization. Obviously, it has a battery optimization as it's always running on the background. It will not heftily use your battery, so that your battery drain is somewhere there. Global check your calendar's location and driving. It automatically also sync your contacts. You have to obviously you have to give all the permissions of contact syncing for your prefer contacts for your answer, your message, which is SMS. Further, we would be trying to connect it with a Bluetooth by using N10, but for now we have shortage of time, so we aren't able to do that. And on-device privacy, as it's Google safety policy. So for above Androids, we are hopefully not able to do that. Thank you. This is our project brief.